In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Printify on your Wix website. To begin, open your Wix editor or sign in to your Wix dashboard if you are starting from there. Either option works, as long as you are inside your Wix workspace and ready to manage your site. This is where you will connect the Printify app to your website, so the two platforms can work together. Once you are inside Wix, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation sidebar, click the App Market icon. This is the icon that looks like 4 small boxes grouped together. The App Market is where Wix lets you browse and install tools that add new features to your site, including print-on-demand integrations like Printify. After the App Market opens, use the search bar to look for Printify. Make sure you select the official Printify application listing when it appears in the results. Choosing the official listing is important because it ensures you are connecting the correct app directly through Wix. When you are on the Printify app page, click Add to Site. Wix will then show you a permissions prompt. Take a moment to review the permissions, then accept them to continue linking the app to your workspace. This step allows Wix and Printify to communicate properly, which is necessary for the connection to work as expected. As soon as the app is added, Wix will automatically open the connection interface page. This is the page where you complete the final part of the setup. At this point, you will either log into an existing Printify account or create a new one. If you already have a Printify account, click Login and enter your account details to connect it. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one and start setting up your Printify account framework. Follow the prompts on the screen, and make sure the account you use is the one you want connected to your Wix store. Once that is done, the connection process is in place, and you are ready to move forward inside Printify and Wix. If anything does not load right away, give the page a moment to refresh, and make sure you are signed into the correct Wix site before trying again. That covers everything you need to know.